Today I'll be demoing a crisscrossing trick to reinvent the oh-so classic Milkmaid braids. First, you'll need 2 hair ties and a handful of U-shaped hairpins. Then, you'll want to brush out your long strands to gently remove any knots or tangles. We'll divide the hair into 2 sections, braid each side in a basic braid, and then secure it with the hair tie that matches your hair color. After braiding the 2 sides, you want to crisscross them like so and secure them down using hairpins. Once the braids are secure in the back, repeat on the front, taking care to conceal the visible hair ties underneath the opposite braid. For the finishing touches, using a mirror, take the pins that are not quite hidden and tuck them inside the braids. And voila! Circular Milkmaid braids that wrap around the entire head instead of just on the sides and the top. By using this crisscrossing method, your crown of braids will look glorious from every angle. Before I log off, I want to give a shout out to AB ELLIE for my favorite statement earrings. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I wish you all a beautiful day.